RS3M 2020. Nice ASMR right there. That's some good ASMR. So this is the cube. It's really hard to get it out of plastic packaging, but I'll try. And I got 2 cubes then somehow, a red one and a blue one. And finally I got a red one. Let's go. This is really hard to open somehow. Like, finally. Okay, so it's my very first RS3M. Let's do some first turns. Okay. It's decent. Nice cube. The corner cutting is really good, so I've heard lots of good reviews about this cube, and the first impressions are out of the box it's really tight. So it feels a bit, actually it's loose, but out of the box it feels really sandy, so I think some lube will help. So it comes with a normal split system. So that's actually really nice. Like, this is my first RS3M. So I do have a RS3M V5 right here. If you want me to do a comparison of both of them, then let me know in the comments if you want me to compare it. But in this video, I'm just gonna go in depth to RS3M 2020. So I think my out of the box, it's a really good and stable cube. Like, and lockups are really rare. Good corner cutting. So would I recommend this in 2024? Yes. So let me just set it up to see how it is. So let me add a blue bit and I'll just try to put it to perfection to see how it is. Okay, so now I got my Mystic and I've got a screwdriver that comes in. So accessory box, just normal things like and also comes with some cards. Yeah, that's pretty normal accessories box right there. So let's try to so I think that it's okay out of the box, like, but I think let me see how it is if it's a bit loose. So let me loosen the tensions a bit to see how it like is. I'll loosen by 1 turn each. One, and 1. Okay, that now feels much better, but I still think that's a bit dry and sandy, so let me just add some lube real quick. So I'm gonna add some cubicle Mystic. You can get it from cubicle.com. So I'm just gonna add like a few drops, maybe 2 drops in there. Add that in. There, and now let's just break in. Okay, so now it feels a bit more smooth to turn. Let me just add 1 more drop in there. Just 1 more drop maybe. Okay, that was 2, but you know, the RS3M, it's pretty good. Okay, now it feels much better to turn. I think that after, now we're just gonna adjust the outer layer, so you can adjust it with this tool that comes in the box with it. Like, it's not bad with the outer box. Once you adjust it, add some lube. Yeah, now this feels really good. Let me add some back on. Feels better, like it's better. So what I main currently is I main the Tornado V4, so this cube is actually pretty stable, like and many people say that this is a really premium cube, and I think that it's even good to buy even in 2024. So 4 years later, this is a 4-year-old cube. I think that's actually pretty worth it. So should you buy it? Yes, you should. If you want a full in-depth review, write down the comments below. In the next video, I might do a comparison between the V5 and the normal. So yeah. Until next video, this is me going out. Goodbye.